Well, I don't know if you can actually hear this, it is very windy. I've got the Windslayer on the GoPro, but don't know how it's going to cope in the wind. I've just stopped to turn on GPS and see if I can get the speed dials and things working. And also I just have the GoPro mounted on a selfie stick, so you can be very far away or very near. And I'll see how that works with actually riding the bike. So I'm out past Bishopton just now. Like I said, it's blowing a bit of a wind, so a bit of a job getting here. Not that bad, just slow. And I think it'll go in my favour on the way back, so we'll see. That's actually quite a nice day. So I'll get going. So what I should do here is turn it around. I'll do that in a minute. So you can actually see what's in front of me. So we have that scintillating mix of undulating terrain, right, and a strong wind. Try and change gear just with my right hand on both shifters while I hold the selfie stick here. But I'm over the big climb at the right. Back down a more gradual descent towards the other side. I've no idea if you can hear this or how the hypersmooth, trademark, vibration adjustment is working. Probably better if I don't hold the bars. Yeah.